I'm going to go ahead and cover the UVC light and the bracket that comes with it as we start to talk about brackets in general. So a lot of people are excited about the UVC light, very cool solution. It will come in a box like this, and the unit will be attached inside of here. The only thing you need out of here are basically two things. One, there's going to be this kit right here that's got some adhesive in it. Now you're welcome to use that adhesive, but if you've got the mounting hardware, it does give you a little more flexibility of removing it and that sort of stuff. You can also use the Velcro that's supplied. Again, it's an option. But the only thing you'll need is this kit, and that kit will include 2 screws and a little hex tool. So you'll want to get that out. The other thing you'll want to get out that's in the box, you'll think, oh, maybe I need this little USB. You don't. That's only used if you want to grab data off the thing. Maybe you're looking at the logs or that sort of stuff, or need to update the firmware, none of which you should have to do. But you have 2 things that you might want to get out of this box. This one is a definitely. This is a USB power supply. So this will plug into the unit, and it'll come down and either can plug into the PC, because it'll pull the power from the PC, or you can pull it all the way into the kiosk, because it does have a long enough cord here. And then it kind of works like a cell phone, where it's got a little adapter for USB. You plug it in, and then that'll power the unit, okay? So that's pretty straightforward. Obviously, you'll want to string this through in the base of the kiosk, bring it down if you want to power it. If not, you still might want to bring it in, but then plug in the USB and hide the cord down the kiosk itself, okay? So that's how to hook that up. I'm gonna move this out of the way now and show you specifically what you do when you're installing this and how the bracketing system works. So this is a new bracketing system for us. Basically, it comes with this metal bracket already attached. So that's how you pull it out of the box. This bracket is actually a separate bracket, and what you'll do is there are going to be 2 screws that come inside of that. One's longer, one's shorter. The reason why one is longer is if you want to, you can push this thing all the way out so that it adjusts so it can't tilt. We don't really need that because we're going to want it to be tilted all the way down at the screen anyway. So how far these go in isn't that important. What's most important is that you've just got them screwed in to hold the brackets together. Then at that point, it's going to actually fall down and point at the screen. The other thing is it's included a 1/4 inch screw into here, and you're going to mount this particular bracket on top of this bracket. And this bracket is the same. It's our camera bracket and our UVC bracket. It has 2 holes, one in the front and one on the back. So we like to put the Phillips side on the bottom, and then we put the nut part on the top. And then we simply use the Phillips screwdriver, hold the nut with either the perfect screwdriver or wrench, or an adjustable wrench of some sort, but basically tighten that down. And then once you do that, you see we've got, an adjustable screwdriver. But once you do that, then you simply will mount this to the back here, and it'll go to the bottom. Let me flip this around so you see. And the theory is these will go between, and this will go right on top, and this will be pointed so that you end up picking the UVC right on the top in the middle. And then there's still also room, if you do have a camera, to share this same bracket for the camera. So you can dual purpose the camera to take pictures as well as the UVC, okay?